Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No howls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap cord. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and avoid any static damage to the components. First, power off your Asus UX8406M and disconnect it from any power source. Next, remove the back cover by unscrewing the screws located at the bottom. There are typically DS screws, so make sure to keep them organized. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove each screw, placing them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Start at one corner and work your way around the edges. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the cover in place. After removing the back cover, look at the battery. It is usually a rectangular component with a connector attached to the motherboard. Before proceeding, take a moment to inspect the area for any dust or debris. If you notice any, use a can of compressed air to clean it out gently. Now, disconnect the battery from the motherboard by carefully pulling the connector out. Make sure to do this gently to avoid damaging the pins. If you find it difficult, you can use the spudger to help pry it loose. Next, remove the screws securing the battery in place. There are usually 3 or 4 screws holding the battery down. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws and keep them organized. With the screws removed, you can now lift the battery out of its compartment. Take your new battery and place it in the same position as the old one. Make sure it fits snugly and aligns with the screw holes. Reconnect the battery to the motherboard by pushing the connector back into place. Ensure it is secure and properly seated. Now, replace the screws to hold the battery in position. Before reassembling the back cover, it's a good idea to perform a quick check. Power on your laptop to ensure that it recognizes the new battery. If everything is functioning correctly, power it off again and proceed to reattach the back cover. Align the cover with the laptop and press down gently until you hear the clips snap into place. Finally, replace all the screws you removed earlier to secure the back cover. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this replacement yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about calls or travel. Plus, we provide a quote before any repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Once the back cover is secured, power on your Asus UX8406M last time to confirm that everything is working as expected. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the battery in your laptop. Installing a baby in your laptop. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.